I am the headmaster of MDP Model High School, Pakundia, Kishirganj. Dear learners, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. Dear learner, in last class I discussed some rules of comparative to positive degree. Today I shall discuss the remaining rules of comparative to positive degree. Dear learner, if any comparative degree there is, then you have to, or at the time of changing into comparative to positive, at first you have to write after part of then. After part of then. Here after part of then is I. After that you have to write the negative form of verb, am not. Plus is plus the positive form of the comparative form. Here stronger is comparative form. Here you have to write positive form strong. I am not as strong, plus as in lieu of then, plus first subject. Dear learners, I am not as strong as he. If you want, here you write so. Dear learners, I hope you have understood the rule. Here he is stronger than I. The answer will be I am not as strong as he. Dear learners, let's go another rule I discuss. He is no less strong than you. If any comparative degree, there is no less or not less plus adjective plus then. At the time of changing comparative to positive, you have to write subject plus verb. He is plus as instead of no less, not less. Here I have written as instead of no less, plus adjective plus as instead of then, plus you. Dear learners, have you understand the rules? Arthat, if there any comparative degree, there is no less, not or not less, adjective, then at the time of changing the sentence, you have to write subject plus verb plus as instead of no less or not less plus adjective plus as instead of then plus remaining part of then. Dear learners, I hope you have understand the rules. Let's give another example. Nipa is no less clever than Diba. Can anyone of you tell the answer? Yes, the answer will be Nipa is so clever as Diba. Thank you very much, dear learners. Let's go discuss superlative to comparative. Here there are some rules, superlative to comparative. Dear learners, if any superlative degree, there is no one of the at the time of changing the superlative degree into comparative degree, you have to write subject plus verb. Chittagong is plus comparative form of the superlative degree. The Chittagong is bigger plus than any other or than all other. Chittagong is bigger than any other port in Bangladesh. Dear learners, Chittagong is the biggest port in Bangladesh. Here I am writing Chittagong plus verb is plus the here I am writing Chittagong is bigger than any other port in Bangladesh. I hope understand the rule. Dear learners, Mr. Rahman is the noblest of all men. Now I am writing here of all. If any comparative degree, there is of all, of any. You have to write. If there is of all, you have to write then all other instead of all. If there is of any, you have to write then any other. Mr. Rahman is the noblest of all men. The answer will be Mr. Rahman is nobler than all other men. Dear learners, I hope understand the rule. Dear learner, let's discuss another rule. Dear learners, if any comparative degree, there is one of the at the time of changing the superlative degree into comparative degree, you have to write at first subject. Here in this sentence, subject is Fahim plus verb is plus comparative form of superlative form. Taller, Fahim is taller plus then most other or then few other instead of one of the. Here there is one of the, so you have to write here then most other or then few other. Plus remaining part of the superlative degree. Here remaining part of the superlative degree is boys in the class. Fahim is taller than most other boys in the class. Boys in the class. Dear learner, now I am discussing some rules how I shall change the positive degree into comparative degree. Dear learners, if any comparative degree there is no other at the time of changing the positive degree into comparative degree, you have to write, at first you have to write after part of second is. Here after part of second part is he, plus the main verb of the sentence he is, plus comparative form of the positive form. Here comparative form here comparative degree is good. He is better, plus than any other. He is better than any other. He is better than any other, plus after part of no other and before part of verb. Here after part of no other before part of verb is boy in the class. তাহলে উত্তরটা কি আসছে? He is better than any other boy in the class. Dear learners, I hope understand the rules. Let's discuss another rule. If any positive degree there is very few at the time of changing the positive degree into comparative degree, at first you have to write after part of as. Here after part of as is gold, plus singular form of the verb. Here verb is are, the singular verb will be is, gold is, plus comparative form of the positive form, costly. Costly is positive form. In the answer will be costlier. Gold is costlier. Gold is costlier. Gold is costlier, plus then most other or then few other instead of very few. Gold is costlier than most other, plus after part of very few and before part of the verb, metals. Dear learner, show the answer. Yeah, very few metals are as costly as gold. The answer will be gold is costlier than most other metals. Here you may write then few other. Dear learners, let's discuss another rule. If any positive degree there is as adjective as at the time of changing into positive into comparative degree, you have to write after part of second as. Here after part of second as is his brother. His brother is plus verb. His brother is not the negative form, because this sentence is affirmative. This if the sentence is affirmative in the answer, the sentence will be negative. His brother is not plus comparative form of the positive form, অর্থাৎ taller. His brother is not taller plus first subject is he. Dear learners, the answer is his brother is not taller than he. Dear learners, I hope you will